Functions. In this section, we study a special type of relation called function. We learn relations. Okay, we know what is the definition of relation and how to write a relation set from a set to another set. So I am going to take a relation R from a set A to the set B. Okay, using arrow diagram. This is set A and this is set B. Now set A carries 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and set B 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. Now there is a relation 1 to 1, 2 to 4, 3 to 9, 4 to 16 and 5 to 25. So we can write this relation in roster form, that is ordered pair 1 1, ordered pair 2 4, ordered pair 3 9, okay, then ordered pair 4 16, then ordered pair 5 25. So clearly we can say what is the relation. In set builder form we can write. It is set of all ordered pair xy such that, listen, x, first element is x, second element is 1. What is the specialty here? Square of the first element is the second one, isn't it? 2 square equal to 4, 3 square equal to 9, 4 square equal to 16, 5 square equal to 25. So you can write x square equal to y or y equal to x square. Now, how many x values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can add a condition what? X belongs to n. X is a natural number and x is less than 5. Okay, x is less than 5. So this is the relation. Or you can write what? Set of all x, y such that y is a perfect square of the first element. Okay, y is the perfect square of first element for x less than 5. Now in this arrow diagram, I am going to make one more arrow from 2 to 1. Okay, 2 to 1. So additional to these 5 ordered pairs, we will get one more ordered pair. What is it? 2 1. So in this case, there are 2 ordered pairs, 2 4 and 2 1, in such a manner that, okay, such a manner that it violates the rule, or listen, the image of 2. Okay, the image of 2 becomes 4 and 1. Image of 2 becomes 4 and 1. So it violates a relation means we can't say this relation is a function. Or in other words, each x element has exactly one image. Okay, exactly one image. Listen, from the set A to the set B, see these arrow marks. From 1 there is only one arrow mark. From 2 only one arrow mark. From 3 there is only one arrow mark. From here also, from 1, 2 and 3 there is only one arrow mark. Okay. But here from 2 there are 2 arrow marks. Okay, from 2 there are 2 arrow marks. So from these 3 we can conclude one condition that a relation become a function if every element of A has exactly one image in B. Okay, every element of A has exactly one image in B. See here, you can't say this is a function. Why? 3 has no image in B. One of the reason. 3 has no image in B. Now look at this. I already said this is not a function because there are 2 arrows from this 1. So we can write the ordered pair 1, 4, 1, 5, which means the image of 1 is 4 and 5. So what is the definition of function? Every element of A has exactly one image. So exactly means there is one and only one image in B. Okay. So a relation becomes a function if every element of A has one and only one image in B. So you have to stick on every element. So to become a relation, a function, we need every element. Okay, we need every element has one and only one image. One and only one image is same as exactly one image in B. So, okay. So definition is a relation from a set A to a set B is said to be a function if every element of set A has one and only one image set in B. Okay. So listen, there is a relation. For example, there is a relation set of all ordered pair 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2. So in this case we can easily say is it a function or not. So you just look at the first element 2, 3, 4 and verify is it repeating or not. Okay, just like 2, 2. When there is a pair like this 2, 2, then we can say that the first element 2 has 2 images because here first element is repeating. That means this x element 2 has 2 images. One image is 1 and another image is 2. So in this case it is not a function. So in the given relation there is no repeating element. So we can say that R is a function. See here image of 2 is 1 and image of 3 is 1. It's clear? We need to stick on the first element. Is it repeating or not? See this relation. Set of all ordered pair 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. Okay. Is it a function? Yes, because every element has one and only one image. Or the first element. Stick on the first element. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is not repeating. 1 has only one image, 2. 2 has only one image, 3. 3 has only one image, 4. And 4 has only one image, 5. Okay, so this is a function. Now see another example. R equal to ordered pair 2, 2, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 4. Okay. Now verify is it a function or not. Is it a function? No, because the first element 2 is repeating. Okay, first x element is repeating. That means here the image of 2 is 2. Here the image of 2 is 4. So 2 has 2 images. It is not possible because by our definition every element of A, that is every x element has one and only one image. Okay, and therefore this relation is not a function. So in this manner we can easily identify whether a given relation is a function or not.